y'all want to see how I went from this to this, continue to watch. Hey y'all, it's Tiana Chanel and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a wig video, and this hair is from this is AliExpress. The link will be down in the bio, but it's a 13 by 6 straight HD lace wig. This is what the lace looks like. Very HD. Looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. So it came pre-plucked, all that. So now I just have to glue it down and just like customize it. But I'm gonna just customize most of it while it's already on my head. I cut the ear tabs already. I outlined it. So right now all I'm doing is marking it through the lace and onto my forehead so I won't put too much, glue it too far down. But I should have glued it down a little bit more, I'm not gonna lie. I don't like when it be giving a sliver of forehead, but something about trying to put a wig right on the hairline still don't give like your natural hairline. Does that make sense? Like the forehead just look extremely long. So now I'm just trying to adjust it. It comes with an elastic band, that's what I was doing. But as y'all see, it came pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and I didn't do anything to the wig, y'all. It literally came like this. It's 28 or 26 inches, 13 by 6. Very HD, as y'all can tell. But yeah, I'm about to glue it down. I only did 3 layers, or maybe I did 2 or 3. And basically, I didn't put a cap down, and I tried to put it right in front of the hairline, but I should have did it a little bit further down. So yeah, don't let the glue touch your hair, y'all. I'll be letting it get into some of the edges, but just do it in front, y'all. Just do it in front, especially with an HD lace. Like, you can do that. But I'm just doing it, and then I apply the next layer once the layer I just applied is basically all the way clear. But for the last layer, I wait until it's like 50% clear. Like, it's still white basically. And I blow dry it on high heat to just clear it up, and you can see like it disappear more and more. I'm just adding all the extra layers here, but I just wanted to let y'all know that AliExpress is hosting this massive anniversary sale from March 18th through the 27th, and now you can get this wig from Wowangel. The link is in my bio. Don't forget to use the code WOW40 to save money. It's the perfect time to shop for new hairstyles at low prices. Elevate your style for less on AliExpress. I zoomed in so y'all could see better, but now I'm just putting the lace onto my head and trying to match up like the marks basically. Y'all can still see the white, but it's gonna go away. It's fine, as long as it's not like cakey. And it looks cakey, but you'll see in the end that it's gonna go away. And if it doesn't go away, you can just take a Q-tip dipped in alcohol and just rub it at the top. It'll like break down some of that glue. Just don't do a lot or make it look that. But yeah, blow drying it on hot heat, and now I'm cutting the lace. And as y'all can see, when I cut the lace, it's still some of the makeup on it. So I'm gonna take some alcohol and get that off. And it's a little bit of white residue. Any white residue, I'll get that off with a Q-tip also. But where is the lace, y'all? Y'all don't see it. Like, you don't. The only reason why you can tell is because of the color. We would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. So after I get all the residue off, I literally just bring out the part that I want to be my edges, then I kind of hot comb it forward so it could just lay right. And I ended up putting on a scarf for like an hour or two after this, and I kind of just braided it up to get it out the way and kind of like try to tuck it behind the scarf as much as possible. This is me now braiding it up. Zooming in and showing y'all that. Now I'm just adding some spritz. I like to use this instead of got to be because I feel like got to be leaving like a white cast. And also when you spray the got to be, it initially like lifts up the glue that you already did. It's just too much. The spritz don't do that. So I spritz it. I try to make the part more in the middle, but it don't matter because in the end I end up changing it to the side part anyways. But yeah, I'm just putting on the scarf. Y'all can see how the braids is like sticking out. It kind of looks crazy, but I only went to the beauty spot store in the meantime, so I don't think it really mattered that much, but y'all look at that. So this is like an hour or two later. Y'all can tell because it's like darker in the background. But now I'm just taking out those braids and about to do the edges. I first cut it with my straight, what is it, a razor? And then I curl it with the mini flat iron. And then I style it with some mousse and some got to be. I really sprayed the got to be on the edge brush first to like kind of lay it down a little bit more and secure it, and then I go in with the mousse. I didn't show the whole thing of me doing this, y'all, because I was truly struggling, but I did show the first couple edges, and I do the rest of the edges like the first one. It was just hard for me to do it like through the camera and this little mirror that I had on my desk. So now I'm just doing my edges, and y'all can see I'm going in with the got to be first to lay it down. That's just the got to be, y'all don't see any moves. To just lay it in place. And then cutting some more and just seeing what's works best, and then going back in with the mousse after to like solidify it. And the mousse does get hard after you add it, but after it dries up, you can like comb out the edge basically. It'll still have the shape, like the mold of the edge, but it won't be stuck to the head. It'll be more fluffy in case y'all want it like a fluffy look, because the mousse does like lay it down and make it like extremely fat. So I normally just comb the edge out once it all dries and it's molded. These are the edges. And I'm about to put some makeup on it, so I can blend a little bit more. Let me show y'all the back.
I'm standing on business. Who's standing on business? I haven't had a wig on in so long. It's cute or whatever.